Hello, my dear viewers. This is Tickets Copy webinar, and you're watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 21st of April 2023. This is Friday, last trading day of the week. I'm a Dukas Copy trader community member. You should not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I am not. So, whatever I'm going to discuss here is my own view. Therefore, any trading idea or the opinion that I'm going to discuss here in this live stream is of my own. It has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. So, what we are going to do here is actually, I'm trying to create a small community of people who are doing price action based only on the key levels and the market structure. So we'll strictly be discussing the price action and the market structure in this webinar, and we'll ignore the fundamentals if there are any. We'll not talk about any fundamental. We'll discuss only charts. And as a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart. So we'll not talk about anything nonsense here, and we'll follow the charts only. Now in this program we'll be only using the candlestick charts, nothing else, and we'll find out the key levels for all the pairs that we are going to see, and we'll see how we can use those key levels in our charts or in our trading setups. If you are new to the technical analysis, I would request you to go to the channel's homepage and look for a playlist where you will find profitable candlestick patterns and profitable chart patterns, because we trade patterns most of the time, and if we can like spot a trade based on patterns, you may not understand that completely if you don't know what are the candlestick patterns or what are the chart patterns. So please go through this playlist in your own time if you have any, and you will be able to understand what we are talking about in this program. At the end of the session, I will be answering the questions from the viewers, so please ask the questions in the session. Lastly, whatever I say in this live stream should not be taken as a trading advice. You should do your own research before you put your money on the line. And before I hop onto the chart, let's go through the risk disclaimer. All right, this is very important. Please, if you want, you can pause it, understand this completely, and then only hop onto the charts. So this is the first chart of the day. Every day we are presenting you with the dollar index as the first chart of the day, and I have written something here that a 4-hour time frame is bullish above 101.20, and it is also I have written that it is bearish below 102.99. so till the time the price is trading below 102.99 on the daily, we are bearish. Until the time price is trading above 101.20, it is bullish. So there is a confliction, right? Which one we will keep an eye more, like which is more important? That daily time frame is more important. So we are still bearish in this one, in this particular pair, which is dollar index against the US dollar. So 101.63 was the resistance on the top side. We were bullish, but there was a resistance, and after that 101.96 was the resistance. Now see how beautifully this resistance has failed to break above this resistance. Okay, now this here was 101.92. Here this was 101.82, and this one here is 101.83, but not more than this. Now in the process, it has tried to go higher than this one, but has failed above that and has come back again to the lows. And we know somehow, because of the daily time frame structure, that 101.20 is what we are looking for to break. Once that breaks, we will be short again in this market. Right now it is trying to go above on the 4-hour, and if you consider daily, you will see that the price is going nowhere. You will see that the price is going nowhere. So it is some consolidation before the next leg lower. Now next leg lower will start as soon as you see a price trading below 101.20. That means all the buyers who try to open their positions here, they'll be out of the market. That is what my analysis here is. 101.63 is still the resistance, although you can actually on the 4-hour, when you go, you can keep it at the recent high that the price has made. All right, and on the lower side, expect some support at 101.20, which we are looking to break. Euro is also slowly inching towards 1.0999. now that is the 4-hourly resistance, but the main resistance that we can expect is higher. So I'm marking that also for you. This is not this one, but this. So this particular thing, when I do, like I join the highs and I join sometimes lows. So this is just not a point, 1.1075. This is not a point, okay? This is a zone. You should already understand that the support or resistance can be like this, okay? Plus minus 10 points from there, from where we are talking about. All right. So you should be ready in this zone. Like this zone should be, for you, this zone should be like, if it is daily, it should be more than 20 pips. Okay, this is 4 hour. So yes, this is the zones where you should be expecting some resistance for the Euro USD. This is true for every other key level that I am talking about. Okay. So on the upside, 1.0999 as the resistance, and on the low side, 1.0909 as the support. This is true for a long time, like from 17th of April. This is true. GBP USD market structure is bullish, and it will remain bullish until and unless the price trades below 1.2344. If the price goes below 1.2344, yes, we can say, okay, the market structure has broken and we can now look for the bearish trades. But no, till the time market structure is bullish, we are looking for the buy trade, especially in the pound, where we can see that the 4 hour had broken the market structure to the upside yesterday. You see here, the price was going lower highs and lower lows, and then yesterday it went higher. Not yesterday, but day before yesterday. Okay, so we are expecting higher prices in this before this low is broken, and this low breaks, then we will be bearish on the daily market structure even. So right now 1.2449, a small resistance, support is 1.2344, another resistance is at around 1.2545 in this market. Nothing much to discuss here. Today is Friday. Don't expect much. Don't expect breakouts or breakdowns. In fact, you can change this to this recent high now. Okay, 1.2, because this line was based on the 4 hourly, and on the 4 hourly it looks like 1.2474 area is now the resistance. Australian dollar, well, we are in the buy zone here still. Why Australian dollar is falling on the daily, that is a problem here. Maybe because it is going for another push to the area where the buyers will be interested in buying. You see, the buyers were interested in buying here. Okay, they were interested here, they were interested here. So if the price comes back again to 0.6618 area, there may be more and more buyers who will be interested in this market. Okay, and for Australian dollar, if this is so much of consolidation before next leg up, I think you should be assuming that there's a lot of buying and selling happening in this range for a directional move. So 0.6805 on the upside, if it breaks, then we'll be looking for the higher rates in this one. And if 0.6618 breaks to the downside, you should be looking for selling opportunities in the Australian dollar, which I think will not be a very good idea, because in that case the price will have to drop 0.6169, which is not very good for the Australian dollar. Yeah, if the price starts rising from here above 0.6805, you can expect 0.6920, 7029, which looks better, as the inverse head and shoulder will be complete in that case. Streaming problems? No. From my side, kindly refresh. There is no problem from my side. I don't have any problem here, buddy. But I see that you are not able to connect properly. For me, it is it's going good. There is no streaming problem. Okay, now, all right. So now, do you see what is the power of the market structure? Now, from this candle, these candles, it looks like, oh, market is going up, but no, before going up here, it broke the market structure, which was there on the daily. So once the market structure breaks, you cannot trade against the broken market structure. So if you want to buy, you will be trapped, and this is what happens. 0.6083 is the target and 0.6181 now is the resistance for this market, guys. USD JPY, well, we were bullish till yesterday. Let's see what happened after that. All right, even now we are bullish. We are looking for a, oh no, we are not bullish now. No. So if you consider this low, this is a valid low, but this is not a swing low. Swing low is here, which has a higher low to the left and higher low to the left, right? This one is not a swing low. So this 132.01 is the swing low. So I think we should be looking for a buying opportunity until and unless we break 132.01. Let me check on the 4 hour what happened. All right, on the 4 hour, this was a swing low. I think we opened a buy position here. Yes, buy, and we got stopped out. Right now the price is okay, trading above 134.04. So yes, there is a possibility of throwing a channel down. In the process, it made a low here and then it made it go here. So yes, guys, this is a falling channel on the 4 hour. I think this may continue for some time, but when the price goes up from this channel, you should be looking for a buying opportunity in this one. 134.97 on the upside is the resistance. 134.01 may provide some support. On the low side, we have 132.01 as the huge support for the US dollar against the Japanese yen. USD CAD, well, it has entered the range, not the area, where we will be looking for a selling market structure. But the problem here is that it has broken higher than the previous high. Now this may be, this may be an impulse, but this impulse has successfully broken higher than the previous high that the market structure has made. Now problem here is that we were looking for a selling entry, but it has broken the market structure in itself. So we'll be looking for now a buy entry. So everything this changes. And this was the daily market structure, okay? This was the daily market structure. This is broken now. So expect something like this, okay, like this. And if that happens, you should be looking for buying somewhere here like this. All right, look for something like this now in this market. Now still 135.53 is the resistance, and the support is very far, I think, at this low here. Okay, keep an eye on these two levels. These are 4 hourly levels. These are the daily levels that you should keep an eye on. From the daily, you see that this was the market structure, but this market structure is now broken. So expect higher highs and higher lows in this one. US dollar against the Swiss franc. This must have also gone up. No, it has not gone up. So expect some support here actually. 0.9070 area is which I am looking for as the resistance. And even if the price rises from here, this falling channel should act as a resistance. So nothing much has built up on the USD CHF today. The price is trading almost at the same prices of the opening, yeah, with a small bearish bias, but the price has already tested the support area of 0.8919. If the price extends further below this level, then 0.8859 should act as a support, but I'm expecting actually a rise from here and then a fall to the 0.8859. So right now 0.8919 is the support, 0.9070 is the resistance, but this falling channel line may be acting as a dynamic resistance for the price whenever it moves. Silver, I was very bullish on silver, but right now silver is not looking good, okay, from the 4 hour bearish engulfing and so many things. But if you ask me about the market structure, then the market structure is intact, because 24.55 is the area where we will be looking for selling if the price drops below 24.55. So I am bullish above 24.55, but the candlestick formation that is happening right now is not giving me many hopes. But yes, till the time 24.55 remains intact, I'll be bullish in this market, guys. Okay, on the high side we have resistance at 26.21, and thereafter we have huge resistance on the upside around 29.83. Gold on the similar lines as the silver is not behaving properly. Actually, it is getting resistance more and more at 202 2012. We have, I think, a buy order here above that. I don't know, but yes, if the price breaks below these previous lows that the price has made on the daily, you see here the price was making higher highs, higher lows, and it has made higher high here. Okay, the market structure has broken. So guys, here also the market structure has broken to the downside, so we expected a lower high that has formed. Now that may be the process of making a low. So when below 1969, the downtrend will start. Okay, the price trades below 1969 once again, the downtrend will be confirmed. On the high side, 2012 is an area where we are looking as the resistance, which we are looking at the resistance. Brent has failed to go higher than the previous day's high. It is trading very close to the support area of 79.90, which I am expecting to act as a support. MG, my friend, you are here, but expect some support here in this region. If the price comes to this area, there may be buyers here sitting here over here. Okay, there may be more and more buyers sitting over here. Until the price reaches here, I don't think that you should be trying to guess what is going to happen here. I think any rise in this market will be sold off with the hope of 79.90. If the price tests this level and then gets support, that I think will be a better idea to go long in that case. Okay, each dollar against the South African rand, 1 day is bullish, 4 hour is bearish. Now if the daily is bullish, you should be looking for the buying market, right? But very close to the previous lows. So this is what has happened. Now when will the daily turn to be bearish? The daily will turn bearish below 70.69. so even if the price extends losses here to 70.6939, we cannot be short in such a market. Okay, we will be buyers above 70.6939. so even if the price keeps dropping, we will be still buyers around 70.6939. this does not mean that you buy right now and keep your stop loss here. No, that is not the case. Okay, but my point is that don't open sell positions in the hope that the market will drop down, because the market can rise anywhere from here. Because this is a good channel that the market is taking, at least from here this is being respected. So if the price comes back again to this channel, I think they will be buying. But see why this is happening, that on 4 hour it looks like this channel is broken, but when you go to daily, you see that the channel is intact. I don't know what is the difference here. Okay, all right, Bitcoin, I told you yesterday that this is difficult. Now people are still trying to buy, but even if the price rises from here, 28,995 will act as a huge resistance and will push the prices back towards 26,486. Now those who don't know about the technicals, they should respect this when they see this. Okay, the price may rise from here to about 28,995 and then drop back to 26,486. That is what my thought is here. So resistance on 28,995, support at 26,486, guys. Euro JPY. Why I'm going so fast? Because there is no development, nothing much developed on the charts. Okay, so this is Euro JPY. Even if the price falls, 145.66 should be a very good support. In fact, 146.66 should also be a very good support for the price. Let's see what happened on the 4 hour. Okay, so this is already acting as a support, and on the 4 hour I think we have broken through the falling channel. In fact, okay, if we switch to the 1 hour, okay, you will see that this channel is broken. Okay, even if you extend this channel to this high, then also this is broken. So Euro JPY is in the uptrend, we know from a long time. I'm long at the euro. Or why you are long at euro against Australian dollar? Why would you go long in that? What's the reason? We are short in the euro already. We are short in this one from 1.6413. okay, maybe you are long at 1.6245. tell me your price right now, MGA. you are long here at the confluence of support, because yes, this market is in an uptrend, there is no doubt about that, but are you long at the confluence of supports here? If you have bought this market anywhere above 1.6283, then it's not a good price. What was your price? I need to know how much you have learned. You should have bought it anywhere between this area. No? Tell me your price. Tell me your price. Tell me your price. Where did you buy? Boom, boom. Okay, even if you're long here, 1.6435 should be your targets. Not more than this, okay? 1.6407. you have just entered higher than this one. Not a good entry, okay? Not a good entry. If you're holding it for intraday, you can see what is happening at the higher prices. Okay, it can actually extend towards 1.6435, where I'm expecting a lot of resistance, and that resistance can push the prices even back towards 1.6370 area, so be aware. Okay, Euro JPY was what we were talking about. We are expecting 148 point. If you would have bought the Euro JPY, why not Euro JPY? Why Euro only? Anyways, 148.39 is the target in this one, guys. Euro GBP, well, there's a lot to tell in the Euro GBP based on this hourly, but as all right, daily time frame is bullish above 0.8729. And we saw some buying here today. Some buying here. Okay, the price has gone above 0.8828, and now expect this area to act as a support actually, with the target of 0.8865, because we are bullish. So I'm talking about buying this market. Okay, 4 hour is bearish, but daily is bullish. And also on the 4 hour, the price has been trading above 10 periods moving average, so this is good for the price. So resistance is 0.8865 now, and the support is 0.8828, right? 8828, right? S&P 500 is still trying to take some support on the 4 hour at this rising channel. 4172 was the recent resistance level, so you can draw a channel again joining these recent highs. The price has been okay. I think you should be looking for buying here with a small stop loss below these lows, and target 4195 in this market. That's good. Otherwise, the support, horizontal support, that is 4083 and 4069, they are very deep, and the targets, that is 4172, that is the first target, and 4195 is the ultimate target on the daily. They are also equally at this equal distance. Risk to reward does not satisfy opening any position here, but yes, you know that bias is bullish, so expect 4195 to be achieved in this market very soon. Euro against the Australian dollar, well, I am still short in this market. Guys, this market structure, this market has a market structure which was bearish like this, and now it looks like it has broken that market structure. No, so we need a break above this high of 0.6445 for the market structure to be bullish again. Let's see how the things unfold. I'm still bearish on this one, and we have actually open orders here. No, we have no open orders. Our stop loss, we had brought it down, so yeah, 1.6410 was the resistance, so we have already got filled and we have booked the loss. Okay, now we have 3 positions open. We are short in the New Zealand dollar with a profit of $4. We have silver long with the loss of $14. We have silver long with the loss of $21. So let's see how these positions, we have already everything, stop loss and take profit in place, so we don't have to worry about what happens. And these are very small positions, it will not draw down my account. Okay, So euro already you know now, resistance is 1.6445 and support is 1.6245. Ethereum. This is very sad for Ethereum has gone below 1938 level. That level, if broken, will start acting as resistance now. So what you can expect now? Guys, now you can expect something like this. Boom 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 boom, like this. Okay, expect something like this now in the Ethereum. So my expectation of Ethereum going to moon will be shattered if the previous low, that is 1823, breaks. Provided 1823 breaks, only if 1823 breaks. Why? Because 1823 is the recent swing low that the price has made. If it fails to hold, then Ethereum will go down, but above this Ethereum will go to moon. That is my projection. Okay, last pair is CAD JPY. Thereafter we have the Nasdaq to talk about. Now who will like this? Who want to talk about it in the chat? Is there anyone? MJ, do you see this level 98.67 and the price has made a low of 98.677 and our level is 98.678. This cannot be better than this. Do you agree? This cannot be more perfect than this. So yes, that is the intraday low that the price has made, and this is the level that we were expecting to act as a support for the price, right? All right, guys, on the high side 99.94 is the resistance, on the low side 98.67 is the support. After that is taken out, we can expect 97.08 to be tested in this market. After a break of 99.94, you can expect 100.87 and even 101.40 in this market. So these are the levels that you should keep an eye on. These are very important levels. Last is the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is also trading very slow. 1287 is the support, 13.24, 13.24 is the resistance, guys. I just can tell you now the support and resistance because there's no pattern forming here, so we cannot talk about any pattern on the daily. Let me check if there is any pattern. I think the price is going to 13,723 after taking some support at around 1287, 12,870. Alright guys, I hope that you know about the support and resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just keep in mind to only risk less than 1% of your capital on a single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you are going to take. How can you do this? Okay, you adjust your position size in such a manner that logically when you place your stop loss and that stop loss gets triggered, your account should not lose more than 1% of your entire equity. Okay, with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. What about CAD JPY? MG, what are you talking about? What in CAD JPY? What about this, MGA? Do you want to say something? Alright, so nothing is coming up. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow, not tomorrow, but on Monday at the same time, same place. If you have found this useful, you can hit that like button and also you can share it with your friends, or you can actually contact me on my Skype, and you can also subscribe my YouTube channel. Consider subscribing to this channel also if you are new here. Have a nice weekend. Have a nice weekend to you too, MJ. Thank you very much for joining and sparing your time, everybody. See you on Monday, 16:30 GMT. We are here every day of week other than Saturdays and Sunday. Bye bye, guys. Take care and enjoy your weekends.